How to use sea salt spray in your hair. That is the topic of today's video. This is my #1 selling product called Tidal Wave. You can find it at shop.thesalonguy.com, on Amazon. It's all over the place. The benefits of buying this at shop.thesalonguy.com, my own website, is that I'm constantly running discounts. If you use code YouTube20, you get 20% off, which you can only use at shop.thesalonguy.com. So, Tidal Wave right here. This is a unique customized formula. It's not the same product that 6 or 7 other brands have. This is a product that, over time, I have gone over numerous formulations to try to make this perfect. And I made some major changes over the last, I'd say, year and a half on this product. And that's why it's my #1 seller. So how do you go about using sea salt spray, or at least Tidal Wave for your hair? What makes it beneficial? Sea salt spray is phenomenal for fine hair, first and foremost, because it gives the hair volume, it helps soak up those oils in the hair, and it just makes the hair appear thicker. At least Tidal Wave does, okay? I can't speak for other ones, but that's what the goal was for Tidal Wave, was to have numerous key benefits and functionality that is going to benefit your hair. Now, you may have never seen me before. You may be new to my channel. You're saying, why is a bald guy talking about hair products? I've been in the industry for close to 30 years, okay? I'm not just some random handsome guy with a full head of hair who talks a big game and just like a hardcore salesperson. I've actually been in this business for almost 30 years, and every product that I have is a reflection of my passion, my dedication, my expertise, working on thousands of actual clients, okay? Not just working on my own hair. I've worked on thousands. That's why I truly stand behind the benefits of Tidal Wave and why this works so well. So you see this mannequin right here. This is the famous, the TikToker hair flip. I do have the TikToker hairstyle kit, which is available on my website, and that helps you achieve this type of style, which includes Tidal Wave, this round brush, which is the 2-inch round brush, and my locked hairspray. Tidal Wave works best on damp hair. So if you get out of the shower, maybe you towel blot your hair, you could spray 25 spray in, which is one of my products. How do you go about applying this? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for more volume in the root area or the scalp area, which is where the hair grows from, and that's where you're gonna get that foundational support, that's when you go in and you spray Tidal Wave towards the base, the foundation, the root area. The one mistake, though, is that if you spray too much, it's going to end up being too much product in the hair. So you don't need to overspray this at all. All you need to do is 1 to 2 targeted sprays the most, and it's gonna be more than enough. So what you can do is 1 right in the front, and you're done, okay? 1 and done, 1 here, you can lift, spray right on the root area, right, or the scalp area, 1 and done, and move forward. That's all you need. If you sit there and 5, 6 sprays on one area, it's going to be way too much for your hair, okay? A lot of times it's the user error because they're not really utilizing this properly. So 1 and done, 1 and done. So what I'm doing is targeted spritzes. Wherever I want that volume, wherever I want that texture, wherever I want to make sure that I'm getting the maximum results from this product, that's where I'm spraying it, okay? That was it. Then if you want, you can work the product through like this to kind of work it through to the ends. And what's phenomenal about Tidal Wave is as it dries into the hair, it's going to, like I mentioned before, absorb those oils. It's gonna start to work the texture in. It's gonna start to give you volume. Now, what you can do is a technique where you actually start to run your fingers through it like so, right? And you can start to see the product taking form, taking shape. Because what is it doing? Why is it drying relatively quickly into the hair? Because the hair is absorbing it, and it's actually allowing the product to start working on its own. This was on dry hair, and you can already see the volume, the texture it's getting. How to use it with, say, the brush or a blow dryer? Well, this is the blow dryer that I do sell on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. I have invested, and I had this for quite some time. You may see other brands coming out with a dryer which looks the exact same, when I can tell you it's not. I've invested in the technology to this dryer. It has the ionic technology, also the magnetic attachments, right? So it comes with the nozzle, it comes with the diffuser, and the diffuser is an amazing tool for getting waves in your hair, right? For having a more natural kind of softer blow dry. Very, very low air pressure, and this is great for scrunching. You want to add a little more texture to your hair and make it look like it's a bit more wavy even, or something that's not just fine or straight, pin straight. Then you can use a diffuser like that to actually make the hair look like it's got a bit more going on than it's just laying flat. Now, why do I suggest using the nozzle all the time? Well, as a professional, I can assure you that the airflow is targeted right here. If you don't use a nozzle and you just blow dry the hair like this, you can see the hair is all over the place. Putting the magnetic attachment on, all right, it's more targeted towards one area like this. Now, if you want to use the sea salt spray, Tidal Wave, with the round brush, or you want to get a little more volume out of it, this is what you need to do. Now, I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, but with the air and the heat from the blow dryer, don't be afraid of heat because you need it, just like you need heat to get rid of wrinkles from your shirt. But look at the volume that was created just from this alone, okay? Just from using the Tidal Wave, the round brush, and the blow dryer. You want to take it a step further, bring the hair back like this, run your fingers through it, add some texture, shake it up a little bit, add some teasing to the base, and there you go. Now you've got all this volume in the hair, and it's all from using the sea salt spray. Now, if you have longer hair, for example, something like this, let's just say, right? You've got a nice women's hairstyle right here. You've got some layers. Check this out. This is something from a previous blow dry that I did, showcasing how much volume you can get in the hair from simply using Tidal Wave. So watch this. This is fully dry hair. 1 spritz, 2 spritzes. That's it. 2 spritzes. Now I'm going to use my 2.5-inch round brush. These round brushes do have ceramic and ionic technology in them. Once again, I did invest in having that made into these brushes, but check this out. All right, now, one thing I'm going to share with you about this brush. What are the benefits of ceramic and ionic technology? 1, it helps dry the hair quicker. 2, what it does is it helps smooth out the hair to reduce frizz, and also protects the hair from any potential heat damage. Now, look at the results just from this right here. 5 minutes, not even, of blow drying. Look at the volume here. Look how shiny and healthy that is. And there you go. I mean, this was just with like 2 sprays, 2 spritzes of Tidal Wave. You don't need 19 spritzes. All my tools and products do most of the work for you. You just have to have the right technique, okay? So you want to soften that down. Maybe you don't want as much volume. There it is. You kind of work your fingers, but look at all that volume from the hair and it feels incredible. The hair is not damaged. The hair is not dry. It's got some natural kind of shine to it. It's healthy. This is a live demonstration right here. There's no hiding this. I'm an actual hairstylist. Many of you who watch my channel and buy my products and support know, right? Know what's behind the brand. And that's it. So if you are interested, use code YouTube20. That's 20% off. Shop.thesalonguy.com. Tidal Wave, it's my #1 selling product. That's how you use it. You can use it for, like, even if you're going to the beach, you know, even if your hair gets a little dirty, second day, do a couple of spritzes. It'll help soak up that oil. The blow dryer is available. All my tools, brushes, everything is available at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.